Maui's South Shore has long drawn visitors looking for sunshine, a picture postcard coastline, and a resort-style setting that still feels authentically Hawaiian. Wailea Beach Resort Marriott Maui sits on one of the most idyllic stretches of the island's South Shore in the region between two of its most coveted beaches. Spread across 22 acres, the property has a family-friendly energy and resort-scale amenities without feeling overwhelming. Multiple pools, including an infinity pool, a signature restaurant by Roy Yamaguchi, an adults-only wellness experience, Olakino, and a mini water park complete with 2 water slides, mean there is plenty to keep all age groups entertained. Accommodation options range from ocean view rooms, suites, and private villas housed in low-rise hail-style buildings, generously spread out through tropical manicured gardens. Straddling 2 beaches, Ulua and Wailea, you are moments from the sand, with direct oceanfront access and views as far as the eye can see across the Pacific. Home to 547 rooms, suites, and villas located in a series of low-rise buildings that curve around the resort's coastline. Each room category comes with a private lanai, while 62 ground floor rooms offer extended outdoor patio space. All room categories have generous space with either 1 king or 2 queen beds. During my stay, I was hosted in a premium ocean view room, one of the resort's most popular room categories, and for good reason. Wake up to your own private views from your balcony with the sea so close. I left the balcony door ajar each night to drift off to sleep with the white noise of waves lapping gently onto the shoreline. Generous in floor space covering 39 square meters. A king bed sits alongside a lounge area complete with sofa, coffee table, and armchair. Opposite the bed, a large bureau doubles as a desk and is home to the room's flat-screen TV. Room styling is very much contemporary island living, with clean lines and ocean-inspired tones, and nods without feeling themey. We also looked around one of the Sundeck Garden Oasis rooms, which are a relatively new addition to the resort's accommodation offering. Positioned on the ground floor, this room category offers both enhanced privacy and outdoor floor space. Another new offering are the oceanfront villas, the hotel's most exclusive accommodations. Ranging from 1 to 4 bedrooms, these expansive villa-format rooms are designed to feel like a private residence while still being very much connected to the hotel complex. Offering a large open-plan living and dining area, full gourmet kitchens, and large lanais for outdoor lounging and dining. Dining at Wailea Beach caters to both casual bites and more refined evenings. The resort's signature restaurant, humble Market Kitchen, is helmed by James Beard Award-winning chef Roy Yamaguchi, who draws deeply from his family's Hawaiian roots. The restaurant's concept is a tribute to his grandfather, Rokuro Yamaguchi, a Japanese immigrant who opened the original Humble Market store and local taverns in nearby Kihei and Wailuku. Dishes draw on Hawaii's natural larder, think line-caught fish, locally raised pork, and Asian-inspired flavors. Kapa Bar and Grill sits beside the Ohi Pools area serving a relaxed daytime menu, while Whale's Tail overlooking the beach provides coffees, juices, and cocktails. There is also an outdoor pizza van next to the lobby family area, Andiamo serving pizza by the slice, Starbucks, and a pool bar for sunlounger and Bibles. Breakfast is served in humble Market Kitchen, buffet style on a grand scale. There are plenty of options, along with additional hot egg dishes cooked to order, and the breakfast menu also includes a complimentary mimosa to start the day off with, too. One of the resort's major highlights is its impressive array of pools. There are 4 pool experiences throughout the resort. Set beside Kapa Bar and Grill, this pair of oceanfront pools is geared towards families and mixed-age groups. Hot tubs, panoramic views, and spacious cabanas make it an easy all-day destination. This adults-only infinity edge pool is tranquil and designed for complete relaxation. Overwater cabanas float just above the surface, offering a luxurious space to lounge, with poolside food and drink service available throughout the day. Taking things back to complete relaxation. Another new product for the resort, Olakino offers an adults-only wellness experience. With limited spaces per day, meaning it's not crowded, you can book full-day passes or half-day passes to enjoy in-pool spa treatments, mindful programming, and food served by your lounger. Wailea Beach Resort. Marriott Maui offers resort-scale services without feeling crowded. Its generously sized setting, wide-ranging facilities, and scenic views deliver something for every guest, which is why visitors return year after year.